The final thing really is to look at the A shape minor. So remember, we've got E shape major, E shape minor, A shape major. Let's look at an A shape minor. Now if you play an A minor chord, open position, again if you don't know that yet, you're probably better off to switch off and go over to maybe try and learn that A minor chord from somewhere, grab a chord sheet from somewhere. If you know it already, stay with us, because you're going to play the A minor shape, but with the wrong fingers, because remember we're usually going to try and leave that first finger free so that we're ready to bar later. So I'm using my fingers 2, 3 and 4 to play an A minor chord. Okay, and then all we do, practice moving it up again, leave the first finger fairly straight, just point it up towards the ceiling, and avoiding the strings though, and just bring it up 1 fret, bring the shape up another fret, and another fret. Just mess around with it. Some of it will sound quite dissonant, but it's important to practice moving it around. That's why I do this exercise. You'll notice it looks like an E-shaped major chord. The shape of the A minor chord is the same as the E chord, and that's quite handy for us sometimes. It can also be a little bit confusing, but if you just remember that one's major on the E string and one's minor on the A string, then you shouldn't get confused about that. Okay, so let's take the minor shape that we just moved up the guitar. Let's put it on the 6th fret, so my second finger's on the 6th fret. Okay, and we're going to take that first finger and we're going to bar the 5th fret, strings 1 to 5, and remember, just kill that 6th string. Okay, there's a little bit of a harmonic there if you're not careful, but just try and kill the 6th string if you can. Okay, now that's a D minor chord. So because the 5th fret of the 5th string is a D, okay, and you've played the A shape minor, it makes it D minor. Okay, so now let's have a quick look. Let's have some movement around the neck, say, with these chords. E shape major, let's play a G, that's 3rd fret, and we can play G minor, same fret, just take the second finger off. We can then go down a string and play the A shape major. At the 3rd fret, that's a C major chord. And now we can play the minor as well. We take the A shape minor, 3rd fret, makes it C minor. Okay, so now it's really cool. So we can play B minor, 2nd fret, A shape minor. And we can also play B minor, 7th fret on the E shape minor. Yeah, so it's different voicing, but you've always got 2 options then, so you can actually play every chord in 2 positions. So B minor would be 2nd fret, A shape minor, 7th fret, E shape minor. You could take F sharp minor, which is 2nd fret, E shape minor, and then put it on 9th fret of the 5th string and have the A shape minor. Yeah, different voicing, slightly different sounds, because obviously you're using different octaves and things like that, so it is a different voicing, but it's the same chord, it's F sharp minor still. Okay, so hopefully now when you pick up a book and you see things like F sharp minor, B minor, C sharp minor, that kind of thing, you can actually cope with that now, rather than just playing in open position and being stuck and then not really knowing where to go next. So hopefully it's opened the neck for you, and if you learn all your majors and minors in 2 positions, you'll have loads of options there, and you can hopefully play all your basic songs and have loads of fun with it. I hope that's helped. It's been great having you here. Continue to watch the videos and learn, continue to play, enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye and God bless.